This is the original white wall. I stuck a trim piece up there just to do a little test run. Because of the light materials and short nails that I used, I didn't worry about finding a stud or hitting a pipe. The trim pieces that I used for this project are the same as the door casing and door trim. They're super lightweight and super easy to work with. They're also very easy to cut. I measure and plan everything accordingly, and based on my design, I needed 15 pieces, and so I went and got them at Home Depot, and they were under $100 total. These are the other tools that I used for this project. I already had these tools in my garage, so I guess the total spent for this project was under $100. Because of the design that I was trying to achieve, I used a 45-degree triangle ruler as a guide to place all my trim pieces. And what I found out during the project was that I didn't need to glue the trim pieces at all to the wall. All I needed to do was use masking tape to hold them in place in order to nail them in. To nail them in, I use wire nails that are pretty short just to hold them in place. When you go to caulk all the pieces, it's going to give it a finished look, and it also acts as glue to hold everything onto the wall. To join two ends together to make it look like it's one long running piece, I use spackle and a little sanding. At first I was going to leave the wall white, and then I decided to paint it light gray, and then I painted dark gray, and then I painted the garage door to bring it all together. Anyways, this was a very easy, cheap project that was completed in one day, excluding painting. As of now, I am happy with the result. I have big plans for this wall. It's a bit crazy, but I wanted to take out all the drywall and put in clear glass instead so we can see to the garage to see our cars. That's down the line, but for now, this wall stays as is. Anyways, leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next video.